Let's talk about the Magladon shark, a prehistoric ocean giant whose length was as massive as 2 school buses, around 82 feet long. It weighed nearly 30 metric tons, and just one of its teeth was as big as a human hand. Its mouth was so enormous that you could literally have a candlelight dinner with your girlfriend inside it. The Megalodon's bite force was estimated to be between 1,085,000 and 1,822,000 newtons. You might be wondering, what did this beast eat? Well, it feasted on whales, seals, and sea turtles, ruling the oceans for almost 20 million years. No marine dinosaur could defeat it. Even the giant ichthyosaurs could only put up a good fight, but they still couldn't take down the mighty Megalodon. To survive, a Megalodon needed to eat around 1 ton of food every single day. Some researchers even believe that a few Megalodons might have grown bigger than the estimated size. When scientists studied fossilized whale bones, they discovered tooth marks that matched Megalodon teeth perfectly, and similar bite marks were also found on seal fossils. Today, people still collect and sell Megalodon teeth, and a single tooth can be worth up to $50,000. Megalodon sharks were found in the waters around North and South America, Jamaica, Australia, and India. However, due to climate change, the ocean became much colder, which caused whales and other large fish, the main food sources of the Megalodon, to migrate to different regions or decrease in number. Because of the colder water, reduced food supply, and increased competition, the Megalodon eventually became extinct. Argentavis magnificens was the largest bird of the prehistoric world. Its wings were as wide as those of a small airplane, and when it stood on the ground, it appeared much taller than a human. It weighed between 80 and 100 kilograms, and it preyed on small mammals such as rabbits and deer, and at times, it could even challenge young tigers or lions. Its diving speed reached an incredible 241 kilometers per hour, 150 miles per hour, allowing it to strike its prey with deadly precision. Some scientists believe that it even hunted small species of dinosaurs, killing them brutally using its massive beak and talons. Argentavis wasn't just a master of the skies, it could also spend long periods on the ground, stalking and attacking its prey. Fossils discovered by scientists revealed enormous wings, confirming just how gigantic this bird truly was. Take a look. This is a real image that shows what the Argentavis magnificens might have looked like, the true sky king of the ancient world. A group of scientists discovered the fossil of a Sarcosuchus in the Sahara Desert. Long ago, this region used to be a dense jungle. Only the skull was found, but it was extremely large, much bigger than that of a modern crocodile. Based on its size, scientists estimate that the Sarcosuchus was about 40 feet long and weighed nearly 10 tons. Sarcosuchus primarily ate fish, but it also hunted dinosaurs. It could hunt both on land and in water. From fossils alone, we cannot determine how intelligent these animals were, but we do know that Sarcosuchus lived in a humid, tropical climate. Unlike modern crocodiles, whose growth stops after about 10 years, Sarcosuchus continued to grow throughout its entire lifespan. Its body, from neck to tail, was covered with thick, bony armored plates called osteoderms, or scutes, which provided protection. Its bite force is estimated to have been around 8 tons, 18,000 pounds per square inch, even stronger than that of a Tyrannosaurus rex. In 2009, during excavation at a coal mine in Colombia, workers discovered the complete fossil of Titanaboa. It was around 50 feet long and weighed up to 1 ton. This giant snake could prey on many animals, including crocodiles and turtles. Some people even believe that it might still exist somewhere deep in the Amazon rainforest. Titanaboa never encountered dinosaurs, but it was so huge that when it moved through the forest, it would bump into trees, which is why it probably spent most of its time in the water. If it were still alive in the Amazon today, it would be extremely dangerous for humans. Just as mammoths went extinct because of the Ice Age, Titanaboa also disappeared. Being a very large, cold-blooded animal, it could not survive the cooling climate and eventually became extinct.